Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download database with or without structure and data in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can download WordPress or PHP database with or without structure and data. So we are in database. On top you see export, so click on it. Now loading, and then you see multiple option, and then you see export method. You see two option, quick, custom. Now select custom, and then you see tables, and then you see structured data, both enable. So if you want, you can export database with structure and data, and if you want, you can download database without structure and data. So it's up to you. Now you see all tables we have in database, so you can select like this. So you can enable or disable according to your requirement, and then scroll down, you see export, so click on it. Now you see file name, save as type.sql, click on save. Now download done. Now scroll up, in table section you see structure and data. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.